Si miipit ko diri dapita guys kay pero meron ako sakay og train niya. Kaning wa ta maswito ako ta kabaloon sa ipaagi aning train dire. So akong nahitabo sige og pangutana. I keep on asking on that lady, orange lady there, because I don't know what to do. Because I use this, I ask if when I going to use this. She said I need to tap the kiosk. When I tap, it says tap cancel. I ask again, then they try to tap again. So the train will be arriving in just 2 minutes time. I'll wait here. It's my ride.
Arriving at Brisbane Domestic Airport Station. This train terminates here. All customers, please exit the train. Customers are reminded the exit buttons are located in the middle of the doors.
Brisbane Domestic Airport Station. Platform left-hand side, direction of travel.
Brisbane Domestic Airport.
Welcome to the domestic train station. Please make your way along the platform and ensure you have your ticket ready for inspection. Please.
Going to Melbourne.